And you got the flight design too.
Yeah, but he's going to go overhead.
There's someone.
Let me know when you're ready.
17
I'm ready.
is 1 mile.
I see him there.
For the RNAV 31. David J traffic.
I'm ready. Okay, we're going to wait for him to do what he's going to do on 3-1.
Another one behind him. That other one that departed here when we were on our way in.
Okay.
David J traffic, flight design 7 Juliet Delta. We're crossing midfield 1,700 feet. I got the traffic on the RNAV inside and traffic holding short of the runway inside as well. We'll slow down the teardrop so you guys get out of here. David J.
Appreciate that. David J. Perry, Champ 687, we're up flight at 3. We're going to depart 13. We'll be southbound, David J.
David J traffic, flight design 91 kilos, 5 miles southeast over Thunder Valley and bound. David J.
We'll watch out for that guy.
David J traffic, flight design 7 Juliet Delta, tail 700, about a mile to the east of the field over the river. We're starting our teardrop. We've got the Champ on the upwind in sight. David J.
Roger that. We don't have you in sight yet, but there will be 3 of us off the runway here.
We've got the first 2 off, and we've got all 3 in sight right now. We're making our teardrop over the river right now.
Roger that. We're going to depart the area to the south. Get out of your hair. Okay, got you in sight now.
David J traffic, flight design 91 kilos, about 3 miles to southeast. We're going to cut it wide or to the east side for departing traffic.
Got him in sight over there.
David J flight design 7 Juliet Delta on the left 45 with the left downwind for 13. We've got all the departing traffic in sight. Have a good flight, guys. David J.
Appreciate it.
I'm going to go to your right side, Champ.
Roger that.
Did you go any faster?
Let's go to 12275.
I'll try.
Us 2-0.
Moody's up. Champ's up.
Okay, Tailcraft's up.
Yeah, you want me to put my climb up to, how does 70 work?
No, I'm okay now.
Yeah, it works great for me. Haha, okay, I see it. I'm going to go up about another 300 feet to 2,500.
Okay, 2,500, okay, very good.
Going to gun.
Gotcha.
I see him.
Paris, I thought I wanted whiskey 6 miles to the southeast of Haskell Airport, 5,000, leaving 8,000.
Show off.
How are we doing on heading?
Maybe a few degrees right.
Okay.
Kind of surprised people are burning stuff in their fields today with the wind.
Yeah, well, I think the wind is a little bit more, I guess, strong than what was forecast.
Yeah, it is more than they forecasted.
122.8.
0.8, thank you. I'm going to go over to 122.8, and I'll make all the calls for the three of us. James, you're number 2, Ron, number 3.
Copy that.
Switching now. Falls Valley traffic, Champ 687, flight of 310 miles north, 2,500 inbound landing, Falls Valley. Thought I saw some traffic.
Skyhawk 750 Kilo, reporting the traffic pattern to the northeast. Final call, El Reno.
Thought I saw some traffic over here, but I think it's a bird. Mooney's creating space. State's right behind us.
Travis, James, you have that traffic?
Negative.
He's coming right towards you. He's on the crosswind.
Okay, looking. You're not paying
Maybe that was you I saw, sorry.
Okay. Got the Seth Wadley Tower down here.
Seminole traffic, 148 Golf is entering a left downwind for 3-4 full stop Seminole.
See any airplanes down here?
Buoy traffic, Seminole 947 Romeo Victor is 7 to the north of the field, inbound on the RNAV 17 approach, buoy.
Falls Valley traffic, Champ 687 to flight of 3. We're entering a left downwind, 35, Falls Valley. No other airplanes. Straight across the runway. Falls Valley traffic, Champ 687, turning left base 35. I'm going to land long, Falls Valley.
Traffic, Skyhawk 20464, 10 to the north, inbound for land adjustment.
He should have extended a little. Got a big old hawk right here. Falls Valley traffic, Champ 687, turning very short, final 35, landing long, Falls Valley.
Yankee is departing the traffic pattern to the southeast, Ada.
That wind is whipping.
Yeah.
I don't think we could accept much more crosswind than that. We've just about used all the rudder there.
There's a lot of gravel in the runway back there.
Yeah. Kind of all over the hard surfaces here, too. Falls Valley traffic, Champ 687. Number 1 is clear. Taxi to park, Falls Valley. We made it. Still sporty on the landing, but worked out.